So I'm in the members area of Zenobia and they jump right into it. Now, Pinterest, it's an amazing marketing tool for your business. And, it's easy to get targeted buyers to your offer because so many people are using it. The social media platform here is easy to go viral. And the best part of it, you don't need many followers. Think about 4 million users worldwide that Pinterest uses. It's an untapped market. And 93 of active pinners use Pinterest. It tells you all the key factors of why Pinterest is amazing to use, an amazing marketing tool to use to promote your to go straight to your offer. This is packed with information that you can use to get you started to start making some money. I love the way they introduce themselves. Nanda, Paula, and Kath. They go straight into the millionaire mindset, which is important. They are making some good money. This is their third product that they have put out, and they tell you their different ways that they use to prepare your mind. Because guys, it all starts in the mind, and then they go straight into how you just start making money, how to set up your profile, how to create your business profile, the keywords research. Now that is so important to know. If you go down even here even more, they'll show you some keywords that you can use. I can't find it right now, but I'll show you in a second. And all of these, the modules, the method 1, all the different methods that you can be using to optimize your Pinterest account, meaning to make money doing it. It shows you automated pin creations that you could do in 2 minutes for all you busy moms or all you busy people out there that really needs to just like a quick fix. It helps you to do things easier, and if you're out of time, you definitely need to go down to the Queendom, Arc of Triumph, and Pearl of Desert. These are all of the different ways they'll do done for you ways to get traffic, monetization, and they would even build their website for you. So this is an amazing product because they're always the digital dames. The 3 of them are the digital dames. They always have so much information in their products that they use, and I highly recommend it. It's a yes for me. It's a yes for me because this is for someone who don't have a lot of time and yet want to tap into into markets that are untapped, that you don't have to struggle with a whole bunch of people. Although that there is 400 million people in here, these people show you, all these 3 girls show you how to separate yourself and show yourself as a victorious queen in the marketing industry. Here they have the software introduction and setup, how to create pins in 2 minutes flat, how to grow your followers fast. That's very important. How to grow your and part 2 of how to grow your followers fast. Oh yes, this is amazing. They tell you, not only they show you how to optimize Pinterest, but they show you the best offers to promote, what are the best ways to promote your offers, and how to find offers that you could 10x your commissions. And this is the pins to cash segment. These are all the cash links, and let's not forget the bonuses. The bonuses, they did a product that I reviewed before. You could check the link below called about the product that they reviewed. It is amazing. It's Golden Stash. It's how to make money buying and selling domains, and they are expert at this. This is flipping domains is a solid classic business, and you really can make some money doing this. And so they're including this free with the Zenobia, and the other things, valuable things like glossary of terms that you're gonna need to understand all the speech of of pinning, the language. When you're in a business, you have a different language. So this is a really good product. I am so excited that this is out, and I'm looking forward to trying some of these amazing suggestions.